Garage door cables off track causing binding can seriously mess up your whole setup and make opening your garage a total pain. So, if your garage door cables are off track, first thing, don't just yank on the door because you could make things worse. Check if the cables are frayed or tangled, and if they are, you might want to call a pro because these cables are under a lot of tension and can snap. If it's just the cables slipped off the pulleys or drums, you can try to carefully guide them back into place, but make sure the door is fully closed and the springs aren't stretched out. Lubricate the cables and rollers with some silicone spray to keep things moving smooth. Also, check if the tracks are bent or have debris, and clean them out and gently straighten any dents with a rubber mallet. Tighten any loose bolts on the track and brackets to keep everything stable. Lastly, test the door by lifting it manually to see if it moves freely without binding before using the automatic opener again. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with garage door cables off track causing binding is ignoring the problem for too long, which just makes the damage worse and more expensive to fix. Fix that by addressing the issue as soon as you notice it, even if it means just calling a professional for an inspection. Another common issue is trying to fix high-tension cables without proper tools or knowledge, which can be dangerous. Pro plie, so don't be a hero and get professional help if you're not sure. The third issue is not keeping up with regular maintenance like lubricating cables and cleaning tracks, which leads to binding and wear. Set a reminder every few months to keep everything in good shape. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get connected with people looking for work, so everyone wins.